In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export responses on Typeform. If you want to effortlessly transfer your Typeform data into a useful format for analysis or sharing, you're in the right place. This simple guide will walk you through the process, and within just 5 minutes you'll be downloading all the responses you need. To start off, you'll first need to navigate to the Typeform website. Open your preferred web browser and type in www.typeform.com. This will take you directly to their homepage where we'll begin the process of accessing your account. Once you're on the homepage, look towards the upper right corner of your screen for the login button. It's prominently displayed so you can't miss it. Go ahead and click on that button to proceed to the login page. Here you have a few options for logging in. You can either use your email address, or if you've set it up already, log in using your Google, Microsoft, or another authentication account. If you decide to use your email, simply type in your email address followed by your password. Remember, security is important, so make sure your login credentials are correct and kept private. After you've entered your login details, click the Login button to access your Typeform dashboard. This dashboard is your hub of activities, and from here you can manage various forms and their data. Next, to access the specific form data you wish to export, locate your form and click on it. Once inside your form, you'll want to navigate to the Results section. It's usually positioned at the top of your screen along with other options like Create or Share. The Results section is where all the collected data resides, and it's our key destination for this walkthrough. Once in the Results tab, navigate further to the Responses tab. In this area, you'll see a list of responses that have been collected by your form. What you need to do here is simple. Use the checkboxes next to each response to select the ones you wish to download. If you want all responses, there should be an option to select all, making the process even more streamlined. With your desired responses selected, the final step is to download these as a CSV file. Look for a button labeled something like Download Selected Responses. Clicking this will prompt Typeform to package your responses into a CSV file, which is a versatile format that can be opened in various spreadsheet applications like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. And that's it, you've successfully exported responses from Typeform in just a few easy steps. This CSV file can now be used for further analysis or shared with teammates and stakeholders. Stay tuned for more helpful tips in future videos.